This is the meaning of the punishment. The punishment. If you worshiping to your father, you must accepting the punishment from your father at the right. If you worshiping to your mother, you must accepting the punishment from your mother at the left. But if you worshiping to your brother, you must accepting the punishment from your brother at the back of your body. If you're worshiping to your sister, you must accepting the punishment from your sister at the front of your body. That's the reason of the punishment is full punishment in the body. But the image not affected. Only the body, left and right arm, foot, the front of the body and the back of the body. That is the full punishment. The word Jesus Santo Espiritu, testament of the faith healer. No using the clock. The word of the clock, no using the orasyon. Only the family member giving the punishment to discipline your thinking, always in tune, in your heart beating, in your eye, in your present. To disappear the nonsense people, assuming using your license, birth certificate, and do the bad to the people, and you accusing while you did not do the bad to the people. That is the meaning of the punishment of the family member from the family. That is the word of the acceptance.